Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Syahirah Binti Mahmood. My matrix number is B07171710922. My supervisor is Dr. Syed Najib bin Syed Salim. Greeting to the Idex external panel. Welcome to my presentation. So today I'm going to present my PSM, which is development of lawnmower machine using PID controller with IoT monitoring system. Okay, let's start with introduction. Before that, this is my poster for my project. Lawnmower is a machine that is useful for people. There have been numerous developments in lawnmower technology. Our world nowadays are going for Industrial Revolution 4.0. It is an environment in which virtual and physical production process work together. One of the IR 4.0 technology is the Internet of Thinking IoT. IoT creates a connection between physical and digital world. Thus, in this project, the development of lawnmower will integrate with IoT monitoring system. The movement of lawnmower is controlled by PID controller that implement using Arduino. Throughout this integration, it makes people easier to monitor the machine using apps. Okay, move on to the objective of this project. What needs to be achieved in this project? In this project, the first one is I want to construct a hardware of a lawnmower. Second one is I want to design of PID controller to control the movement of a lawnmower. And lastly is to integrate the system with IoT to monitor the activity of the lawnmower machines and analyze the movement of lawnmower movement. Statement. So what problem that inspired me to do this project is, first, people need to use their strength to mow their grass. So based on research that I have been done, I can see that most of the machine is in heavy shape, and this is really need a human power to mow their grass at home. So secondly is need more time to finish mower. So as we know that when there is a heavy machine, so it's depend on your strength. So if you are strong enough to pull that mower, so it will take less time. So if you are not capable to use your strength, if you are not that strong, so you need a long time to finish mower the grass. So lastly is cannot do 2 or more works in one time. So if we use the lawnmower, we just have to focus for the lawn. We can't do anything else. Then let's move on to the methodology. So for this methodology, we have two parts, where the first one is software development and the second one is hardware development. So for the software development, software that I use is Arduino IDE. This software I use for coding and upload to microcontroller, which is Arduino Uno. Second one is MATLAB, where I use it for PID and ultrasonic sensor to get the graph. And last one is Blink application, where it used to notify user if there is any obstacle in front of the lawnmower. So now let's see the full project chart here. So as we can see, there is 4 stages, where the first one is literature review. The second one is structure, where we identify component, build structure, and identify suitable software. So in stage 3 is controller design and monitoring system, where as you can see at the left side there is a design controller, which is we use PID controller, and after that we will define the parameter. And then as we can see at the right side, there is a monitoring activity where we use the blink, where we have to develop the monitoring system, and if both of the system is functioned well, so we will integrate the movement and the controller, and then we will perform the analysis at stage 4, where implement and analysis. Okay, next one is going to be a little bit detailed on the flow chart. So as you can see, the left one is for the IoT and the right side is for the Okay, now let's move on to the result and discussion for the hardware construction, PID, ultrasonic and blink applications. So first, let's see the hardware construction, hardware structure, sorry. So for the hardware, it is circle in shape because it is easier to move left and right. Besides, it is made from ABS thermoplastic polymer, which withstand heavy use and adverse environment conditions. It also has high tensile strength and it is very resistant to physical impact. So for the ultrasonic, we place it in front of the lawnmower to easily detect the obstacle. Then for blade, we place it in the bottom of the lawnmower and it is made from saw blade. And for the motor, we use DC gear motor, which is operating voltage 3 until 12 volts. So for the load current is 70 and maximum torque is 100 GF and has rotation speed at 1.48. Okay, based on the PID result, we can see the steady state is achieved. Thus, the movement of the lawnmower will be constant. To get this steady state graph, we need to design the transfer function first. However, if we just design the transfer function first, as an open loop, there will be a disturbance which will make our lawnmower become not stable. So that is why we use closed loop system to make the lawnmower remain stable. Next, we move on to ultrasonic for positioning results. As we can see, the results show that the lawnmower move and detect accurately. The lawnmower detects the obstacle in same distance, where in between 27.5 until 28 centimeters. For blink, I use ESP8266 for Wi-Fi module, which connect with Arduino and ultrasonic sensor, where it will pop up notifications when obstacle is detected. This will make the user always in update conditions of the lawnmower. So for this, we can see the video after this. Okay, now let's move on to the project feature. So first is PID control movement of the lawnmower. Second, ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the obstacle and positioning. And lastly, blink notification to notify user if there is any obstacle in front of the lawnmower. Move on to the project commercialization. So with this simple technology, which resembling an automatic vacuum, people will be more attractive to buy and capable to buy this lawnmower. Moreover, with the IoT application in the lawnmower, it gives pleasure to user. In conclusion, this lawnmower is found to be more compact and friendly for maintaining our daily costs. Proportional integral derivative PID show the result of lawnmower movement give good outcome. For autonomous robots such as lawnmower, constant speed is needed in the application. Thus, first and second objective were to design and construct hardware for lawnmower and develop design of PID controller to control the movement of lawnmower has successfully achieved. Data detected from the ultrasonic sensor will send to blink application via wireless connection. When the data receive pop-up notifications will inform there is obstacle in front of the running mower to alert the user. With this, the last objective, which to integrate the system with IoT to monitor the lawnmower, is achieved. And this is reference that has been used in my slides. And yeah, thank you for listening to my PSM presentations. I'll leave you guys with my hardware video. Hope you guys have a blessing day and Assalamualaikum.